Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber. Today we're going to be talking about the one affirmation you should use to get your SP to prioritize you and only you. This is a very powerful one. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You also wouldn't want to miss out on one-on-one coaching with me, where I bring you to your desire step by step. What I can say for a fact is that my emails are laced with literal magic. If you would like to be spoiled, if you would like the attention to be all on you, if you would like to get to your desired reality as quickly as possible with me in the ringer with you, sign up today at RitaKaminski.com or click the very first link in the description box down below. I know you want to. You're also more than welcome to join my members only YouTube program. You'll be getting 4 exclusive videos per month where I offer collective coaching. Feel free to ask me any question you may have, and you will be guided through your situation by me and be supported by a like-minded community within a safe space. Hundreds of people's lives have already been changed by becoming a member. We go so much deeper into the law of assumption by learning from specific examples. So if my baddies didn't have a question that week, they still learn life-changing information. It would literally be a no-brainer to invest in yourself and join. So the link will be in the description box down below. Alternatively, you can literally just click the join button right next to my name. If members only is not available in your country, or the link simply does not work, don't worry, I got you. You can click on the Patreon link down below and join through there. It is the exact same program. This affirmation is very powerful and not to be slept on. This will literally make your SP prioritize you and only you. He will only care about you. So use this at your discretion, because if used, they might stop caring about their family and their friends, so it's slightly toxic. My SP doesn't care about anyone else but me. When I say my SP in an affirmation, I would prefer for you to say their actual name. For example, Robert doesn't care about anyone else but me, as opposed to my SP doesn't care about anyone else but me. It's just more personal. It feels like you're actually talking about that person. However, if it does feel more natural for you to say SP, you can go right ahead and do that as well. This affirmation is so powerful that you can repeat this affirmation on and on and on for a couple of minutes and drop it, and you will start seeing him or her or them prioritizing you and only you. They will start thinking not only for themselves, but with you in mind. If he has a choice between seeing anyone else and you, he will always pick you. If he has a choice between working on his passion and being with you, he will choose to be with you because you are his passion. You fuel the rest of his passions. You are his muse, you are his inspiration. So actually, by him being with you, you help him be better in all other areas of life. You will be his anchor point. You will be his battery when he needs to recharge. He will hang out with other people and he will be like, I want to be with you, because you make him feel the best out of everyone. You make him feel like the best person, the most important person in the world. He feels pure. He feels 100% himself when he's with you. He feels at ease. He feels at peace. Whenever a circumstance does pop up where it seems like he's prioritizing someone else or something else above you, whether it's school, family, friends, anything else, keep affirming the same thing. SP doesn't care about anyone else but me. This is a hyperbole. We're not actually trying to make him only think and care about you. However, when we exaggerate an affirmation, it becomes that much more powerful in a lot of cases, especially when you're just starting out and you're doubting your power or you're doubting your affirmations. Exaggerating them will be very beneficial because you're not just saying it how it is, you're going above and beyond. It's the same vibe as aim for the moon, shoot at the stars. Even if we don't hit the moon, we will be hitting the stars being your boyfriend, your SP, him, himothy, to prioritize you and think about you and put you first, even though he is also prioritizing other things. You will be his number one. Trust your subconscious mind. Your subconscious mind will make it in such a way where it benefits you, it benefits him, it benefits everyone around in the best way possible. Even if that does mean you literally just want him all to yourself. Your subconscious mind is not a dumbass, and it's not going to be aiming for someone else's wants and needs. Your subconscious mind is you, so it knows exactly what you want, specifically what you want. So never be afraid of that. So let's say it all together now. SP doesn't care about anyone else but me. SP doesn't care about anyone else but me. SP doesn't care about anyone else but me. You can also say SP doesn't care about anyone else or anything else but me. And with that being said, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I also want to give you this rose because I love y'all so much. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.